What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Xenios Charalambous, and today I'm going to show you another amazing recipe which I never shown before in my channel. So before starting this video, make sure you turn on notifications and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Lately YouTube is doing a lot of weird things, doesn't show my videos to the feed, not many people watch the videos, so make sure you turn that bell on to get all the notifications about my new upcoming videos. So I have all the ingredients that I'm going to use here. You can find them in any supermarket in the world. I'm not using anything complicated. So this recipe, it's very easy. It requires around 30 minutes to do because I have to use the oven, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Also make sure guys that you follow me on Instagram. I upload so many cool things there. I show everyday stories of what I do, what I eat, even what I do at my training sessions. I also show you behind the scenes about my lifestyle, so make sure you follow me there and make sure you spam me in my latest picture with comments, and I'm going to spam you back with a lot of likes. So without further ado, let's proceed with the recipe. Alright guys, so we're ready. This is the first part of the recipe. I added all the ingredients. I have sweet potatoes, mushrooms, salmon. I've got feta on top. I added olive oil, then salt, and what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add this in the oven at 220 Celsius for 25 minutes. Alright guys, we finished with the part 1 of this recipe, and now we're going to my favorite part, which is going to use the wraps and put all these ingredients inside the wraps. So we're going to do this right now. Alright guys, here you have it. This is one of my signature dishes. It's an amazing recipe. It's also a very good recipe if you want to gain muscle because it's very high in calories. And if you don't know what I do, I basically design personalized nutrition and workout programs according to your body and goal, and I help you to achieve them. So if you want to join my program and become one of my successful clients, I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Make sure guys that you also follow me on Instagram. I upload a lot of cool things there. Make sure you leave a like in this video. Likes really help me a lot. If you have any questions, just comment them in the comment section below, and I'm going to see you in the next video. What's up guys, welcome back to the commentary of this video. As you can see, it's a new style of videos. I hope that you